emotions. Plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion. The opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion. The number 2, oh confusion. Number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion. And everybody in commotion. Yeah. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect, respect and union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, oh confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. Everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion.
Yeah. Are you sure you carried out the mass disconnection?
Yes, ma'am.
But it's been 2 days now, and nobody's coming to pay. How am I going to meet up with my revenue drive for this month? Jude?
Madam, we disconnected the whole street. Maybe they reconnected themselves.
What? These people are joking with us. Now, go back to that street and bring all their cables. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Fire for anything.
Thank you. This for peace. Thank
Yes, what is it? We just standing there. What?
They finally gave me a bill.
How much? 200 naira. Who used my phone to make a call? Go and call everybody.
Why are we calling everybody? Was it not Raji that used the phone?
Raji used my phone to make a call? Ireti, go and call him for me. Go and call him for me. Keke. What nonsense.
Afternoon, brother.
Raji, did you use my phone to make a call?
Yes, just to call Ijebode.
You used my phone to call Ijebode and got me a heavy bill?
Brother.
And got Nitel to toss my line?
They toss your line because I used the phone? Who is their manager? Does he know who I am? I will lock him up upside down inside Gary's room. Yes, and I will pepper him. Me? A first man that spent my time at the war front for the fatherland?
I ran away when children took over the war in alone. Yes, just go there tomorrow, pay my bill and then restore my life.
Brother, I am not supposed to pay for anything in this country. Molwell, NEPA, Nitel. Brother, in the barracks, we don't pay for NEPA. It's our fringe benefit as officers.
This is not the barracks, so you pay. Nonsense. You uniform people, that's how you behave. You enjoy yourself while other people suffer and you refuse to pay. That is how you spoil the country.
Nonsense. Because of 200 naira. They tossed the line. I will cut my shot at their manager. In fact, I will lock him up.
What is it again?
We have come to carry this cable.
Cable. Look, no need to go up. Just give them. Abi, anything else? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Listen.
Bye.
collected the cables?
Madam, it was wonderful.
Did they touch you?
No.
Did they stone or beat you so that I can go out there and teach them a lesson?
Madam, they had our cables all neatly tied up and were waiting for us.
What?
The whole street handed over the cable to us. In fact, I feel they are planning something for you.
Like what?
Something like petition, riot, African Juju action. In short, I want to seek transfer or resign my appointment.
Me too, madam. Because it's my face they all know there. And I will not be here when the whole thing starts happening.
They cannot do me anything. I am an officer of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and I order the two of you, in the name of the minister, to go and bring that transformer. Yes, go and bring that transformer. They will suffer before they get it. Come here, Jude. Jude, come here. Where are you going to?
Madam, nothing will ever make me to go back to that street again.
I order you, Jude.
I resign. Goodbye and God bless you.
You need it.
Come here, Jude. Jude, come here. Come here. This is serious. Chief, I have come to settle the NEPA problem with you. Chief, as the president of the Landlords Association of Ojotayo Street, I believe I am in the right place. Chief.
So it is you. It is you that has been showing us pepper in Ikeja.
Chief,
You, a woman. A woman.
But sir, I'm doing the job the government asked me to do.
We don't get light in this area at all.
Chief, we don't get enough supply. So, we ration what we have.
But light never goes off in GRA where you live.
Chief, please, can we talk in private, sir?
Did you remove my cable in private? Did you remove my cable in private? I have a meter that was last read in 1996. Yet you give me a bill every month. How do you arrive at what I pay?
The bill is coded, sir.
Coded?
Yes, sir, it's coded, sir.
This is espionage. You are a dangerous woman. Oh, you gave our bill a secret code, which gives you the ability to spy on our account and come to collect money anytime you want?
No, sir. Coded bill simply means an estimated bill based on estimated power consumption.
The man is right. You don't read our meter. You give us a bill anytime. You don't give us light. You even remove our cable when you like. You don't give us power at all.
Please, Chief. Please, I'm sorry, Chief. I'm sorry, sir. Please, Chief.
At least you should give us notice beforehand.
I'm sorry, Chief. Please.
Everybody take cover! Take cover!
You're under arrest.
Why?
For aiding and abetting. A man running here.
Look, hey, Alika, come out of that place, Charlie. Come out. I don't want police problem.
Go out, Joe.
Chief, come out and follow them.
I did not do anything, no.
Next time you don't do anything. Next time they are pursuing you, run into your own house. Adwaya. Now, what did you do?
This man is owing this man, sir.
Osi, carry on.
No, take it easy. Take it easy. Since when did you become a debt collector, Bikun?
Woman, don't interrupt police work or else I will arrest you.
Shut up, your mouth. Are you crazy? Just shut up your mouth. Answer our question.
Leave my hand. Answer the question.
Brother, look, wetin concern the case of Alika and this man?
I wonder.
Osi.
Brother, let me... Look, Mr. Man, if Alika is owing you money, take him to court now.
Take him to court for 1,000 naira.
Yes.
No.
Look, yes, police, go out of my house and take this man with you.
Yeah? I will arrest you and everybody inside this house and dump them inside and say nothing will happen.
Hey, Osi, just go home and return that man's Egunde, okay?
Egunde spoil Lagos. Hey.
Let's go.
Atolo, you're giving me my money back. Give me back my money. Give me my money. Give me my money.
Give him his money. I will arrest you.
Arrest me for what?
I will arrest you.
Give me my money.
Give him his money.
Hey, Santa,
Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Arrest me. Give me my money. Money.
Show them arrest him.
Sister Jumoke, respect yourself this evening. Respect yourself. Oh.
I'm sure it's not the TV that is stabbing you.
You're not the only one.
Did someone die? No. Thank God. Look, if none of you will tell me what is happening, I beg you, all of you.
Papa, we are hungry. Papa, we haven't eaten since morning.
Why?
Our mothers are on strike.
Rebel leader Afabu, who told you your mothers know the meaning of strike?
They said they will not cook until you do as they say.
And that is strike.
Hello? Go and call Salome for me. Hey, Salo baby. Salo. How are you? How is market? I just wanted to ask you, what do you have? Gbegiri, what of the orishirishi? Like roundabout, shaki, cow leg. Alright. What of pomo? Okay. Are you sure? Prepare it. I am coming over there. I am coming. Thank you. I hope this is not about money, because you people just left for school last week.
Baba, Asu is on strike.
Again?
Yes, Papa.
Lola, your teachers, Nko?
They too. It is a nationwide strike action.
What is it this time?
They want the government to improve the standard of our education.
How will it improve when they are more on strike than in school? Anyway, you children should have remained in school to read your books.
We joined the strike.
I beg you, friend. Who asked you to join them?
Baba, we also joined them in our university too.
We believe that the quality in Nigerian university is not at par with those of other countries in the world, such as US, Britain, Japan, or even Ghana.
Yes, now.
Isiaka.
Sir?
Have you ever been to America or Britain?
No, sir. But
what of Ghana?
No, sir. But
what of Kutonu, Kano, or Enugu?
No, sir. But
so how do you know that the standard of their education is higher than that of the one here?
But Papa, we see it on TV.
TV?
And magazines and radio too,
yes.
Sir. You children are malu. Moo, yeah, mumu. Don't you know that you see and read what people want you to see, so that you can believe what they want you to believe, that their own is the best?
In our university, our lecturer told us.
Has he been there?
Yes. He studied there in 1964. He told us how our education is nothing. His speech was so moving and touching. Before you knew it, we moved like one and went and burnt our library.
Only library? We burnt the library, we burnt the science laboratory, and we burnt down the Senate building.
Papa! Before they decide to join their mothers and burn down my house.
What is happening in this house?
Our mothers are on strike.
Even CP refused to cook. And when we told Papa about it, he just laughed and called Salo on the phone. And went to Salome Bar to have orishi and salad.
Yes. So because of Papa, who they know is as tight-fisted as a baba in the rock, they starve innocent kids they gave birth to?
Yes. Guilty. All guilty of child neglect, desertion and abandonment, child abuse and misuse, starvation and malnourishment, undernourishment, insubordination, non-compliance.
We have to teach those in authority in this house a lesson.
Yes. No more oppression and inhumanity.
Yes. Down with academic genocide and discrimination.
Yes. From now on, united will stand.
Divided we fall.
We, the children of Fuji, has taken over this house. We'll do what we want.
Yes.
Go where we like. Yes. And eat what we like. Yes. Operation Total Strike.
Yes. Sister Lola, if we go on strike, who will give us food to eat?
We shall go on hunger strike until all our demands are met.
And that is all for one for all. What is it? What?
Sister, this hunger strike, you get a CB.
We shall make our rules for this revolution and no one shall break it.
Bros, this hunger strike, let's not include it.
Okay. Abi. Kenny. Lola.
After further deliberation, we have decided to discontinue the hunger strike. But everyone shall contribute money. The ladies will cook and the guys will fight.
Yes. I prefer to fight though.
Rebel leader. Fighter and bomber. Now go into that kitchen and prepare a delicious meal, okay?
After Yabi me, Abi.
Come, sister dear. I'll tell Boo Boo, honey, that she don't know how to cook and do and cook.
Tell him now.
Let's just go inside.
What is it with him?
He's tired of the city.
He wants out? Don't blame him. In this house, if hunger does not kill you...
This sporadic civil war will. Meru, what's the problem?
Okay, he wants to go to America to study.
Now that is a worthy cause to fight.
Yes.
We shall make a list of demands.
Yes. Comrades, let us put our monies where our mouth is. Yes. Now, bring your meager resources. Let us prosecute this war to the fullest. Okay, comrades, bring your box. Next. Brother Jerry, hurry up. Drop the money. Fall out. Next. Next.
My junior husbands, I did not know you are around.
Do you live here?
Are you people joking with me and you're coming?
Does it look like we're joking? You are not allowed into this house.
Why? What did I do?
Use your tongue to count your teeth.
I think it is 37. Kinde! What kind of a thing is this? Open the door, John. This is my husband's house. Even if my teeth is not complete, at least my dowry was completely paid. Open the door. Hey, senior, can you imagine those children? They said I should use my tongue to count my teeth, and as I was doing that, they just entered the parlor and locked the door.
You are foolish. Because the children said you should use your tongue to count your teeth, and you started doing it. Irate.
Senior, it was either that or I do not enter.
Who said that?
Taiwan Kinde.
Yeah. Well, that is for you, For me, peace. I am entering that house and I am not counting my teeth. What am I big?
Come on. Kabimo gidi won ni ro.
Jumoke! Bolaji! Come on, open those houses. Bolaji! Open those houses.
Batai, my mother is calling me.
Ignore her.
But she's my mother.
And I am your brother. Ignore her. Remember, this is the Fuji Children's Strike Action. United we stand, divided we fall. Okay?
Senior.
These children, they don't know who they are dealing with. And I will show them. Nonsense.
Please.
Look, your children have gone mad. And I am going to get someone to kill them all them one time.
Wọ́n ní pé irọ́ ni ṣé òbímọ gidi wọ́n ní rọ́ wọ́n gbá àwọn ọmọ pákó sílé àwọn ọmọ tó ti lò.
Nonsense.
Kí ni gbogbo yìí? Kí ni? Ìrètí. Kí ló fa wàhálà?
Mami, they said that my teeth is not complete and that I should not enter the house.
Your teeth is not complete. Are you okay?
Mami, I don't even know wetin concern my husband's house, concern my teeth. Open
this door. It is I. Open this door. Open the door now. Lola, Ismaila, Isiaka. Kí ló dé? Ṣé ò sí nǹkan?
Mami, they closed down our school.
Why?
Political unrest, arson and rioting, Mami.
Ta ló ń jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀? Who is that?
Mami, they drove us out.
Why now? That is not good, oh. After taking shop money, your father will not like it, oh. Let me go and beg the headmaster.
Mami, there is nobody on campus, oh.
The headmaster, uncle.
Oh, Mami, the VC was the first to run away.
Hey, where do you think you are going to?
What is it? What about mommy? Has she counted at it or are they complete?
What concern Ireti? her teeth, and peace.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, confusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion. The wife number 2, confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion.